it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Hi y'all, how y'all doing? Wig, here to install this wig for y'all on camera today. Hopefully y'all are doing well today. It is Saturday. I already got my makeup on, get ready to like make me not look so cast white. But I got her from Amazon and she is so cute. And I've been waiting to install her just for y'all on camera. And I ain't no professional or nothing, but I think I wear wigs enough to be able to install it on freaking camera. So I'll leave the link to her in my description box. Okay, y'all, I got her from Amazon. I really can't think of how much she was. Let me check real quick. Real quick. Let me see how much she was. She was, check my orders. I always get my wigs from Amazon. Sometimes I'll get them from like the hair store, but I really like the Amazon wigs. So this is from the Imayli store. This is the 13x4 lace front wig, 180% density, Brazilian. I would say wet and wavy. Oh, okay. This is the wet and wavy human hair. I don't know, but it say glueless curly lace frontal wig, and I got it in the 18. This is 18 inches. It don't really seem like it's 18 inches, but we about to make it do what it do.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get it, my.
That came out really cute, actually. I wasn't feeling it when I, oh, that came out cute. Okay, my first little install of a lace. That came out cute, y'all. I wasn't feeling it at first. And it could have been because I had the band on. But that actually came out kind of cute. Listen, I ain't no professional. This is beginner's work. But I think it came out pretty cute. Okay. For real. Could be a messy because it's curly hair, y'all. Alright y'all, that is the end of this video. You guys can let me know in the comment section what you think about this hair. Would you buy this hair? I would buy it again. I definitely would buy it longer. And low-key, this is the perfect like summer hair for real. Like, not even gonna hold you. I could throw this on, be poolside somewhere. You know, we almost in spring. Did y'all know tomorrow is daylight savings time? I didn't even know that. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.